So this is my task for today. I am cleaning. So for everybody who knows me, you know that since I was younger, I love to like organize, clean things. I was like the cleaner. So today I'm getting put to work. I need to make a career out of this. So just watch how I transform the place. But first, I gotta put my tunes on. It's okay. Let's see. Your book? Is it cute? Ow! It doesn't even hurt. Do you like being a big sister? Yes? Yes. You have to sit down, okay? Yay! Yay! Is Daddy working? Yeah? Kaylee has taken it upon herself to get a playtime break. So that's what's going on right now. And Lael is wanting to go to sleep. So today I'm running a couple errands, going to my sister's place, and then Bible studies tonight. Honestly, I feel like I've accepted that no matter where we go, it's gonna be at least an hour drive. Anywhere we go. Our drive to church is like an hour and 30 with no traffic. So it's like literally everywhere, the minimum I'm driving to get anywhere is literally an hour, and honestly I've accepted that. Alright, you ready? Let's see. He mixed them together, and when he was through, God smiled a big smile on the day he made you. That's saying Jesus loves you so much, right? Does Jesus love you? We're so happy on the day he created you. You want to go do your hair? Down. Down? Down. Down? We gotta put a shirt on. Look, let the camera see how many teeth you have now. They took a long time to come, but they're here. They're here now. You have 4, 5, 6 teeth and 2 coming in. Bye. Huh? I didn't say anything. You have to get your hair washed. Lay down. It's okay. Lay down. You have to get your hair washed, baby. We'll make it quick, okay? Have y'all seen that trend on TikTok where they're like, where the neighbors are like, what's going on over there? I wonder what's going on over there. Like they're hearing like the kids screaming. They're like, they're probably abusing the kids. But then they like show what's going on inside. And it's really like them washing your kid's hair or like stuff like that. That's Kaylee. I don't know why she doesn't like getting her hair washed. Like literally ever since she was young, she don't like water on her face. I can't wash her hair in the shower, in the bath. I can't wash her hair outside of the bath. She just don't want to get her hair washed. I relate to that trend a lot. Hi. Ah! Me. Yeah, you have Minnie on your shirt. Do you see her? Minnie. What? Ow. That hurts? I'm sorry. Yes. Would you like a snack, please? Yes. What do you say, please? Okay, here. Can you say thank you? Yes. You're welcome. Your hair is getting so long. Yeah. Right? Yeah? Back. Bye. Get it. 9, 10, 1, 2, 3. Let me hear you. 4. Bye. Mhm. Bye. 6. Mhm. 8. 9. Oh my gosh, you're so good at counting, Kaylee. Take a stop, girl. Yeah. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. Here. Say hi, Grandma. Say yes. You look so pretty. Say cheese. You're a faker. You need to be an actress. Okay, show the people you dancing. Come here. All right, you ready? Wait, they don't love you like I love you, no. Wait, they don't love you like I love you, no. Okay. Let's hear alphabet. A, B, C. E. T. H. B. Q. U. V. Oh yeah! High five. Say bye. Bye. You ready? High five, bye, 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 bye. Come on. High five, bye, 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 bye.